All right, now we're gonna fold up the large screen. What you wanna do, it's good to step on one of the edges first. You just wanna get your hand firmly gripped around one side of the left, one side of the right. At that point, you wanna step off and let this sit like this, and you wanna twist in with the left while walking it forward. And then make sure to just line up these edges so you have a good grip on all of them. So you've got generally a good circle size here. It does help if you have a second pair of hands to get this in the bag, but if you don't, just make sure it doesn't come loose, because this will pop up again. Just keep both hands on that firm. Slide it in. Pull this up, and so it doesn't just assemble itself and pop up again. Just make sure you zip it up. All right. So that's the large screen, and we're going to move on to the base. With the base, it's slightly different because of the longer size here, the rectangular size. So you want to fold over first. And with the left hand, you want to turn in while making a circle shape, and then turn the right side over. So at this point, again, you want to line up each of these bars together so you've got a firm grip on one side. Squeeze this tight on this, and it does get into a circle shape. At this point, put my foot on this so it doesn't pop up again. Slide this into the kit. Make sure everything's tucked in, and zip it up, and we're ready to go.